Let it get it roll. Hey guys, so this has been a very requested video over on Instagram, so I thought why not make a complete and detailed video about how I shave my face. I started shaving around like 6-7 months ago, I'm not sure, but yeah, I have not gone back to anything else. I shaved my face, especially because of lockdown. Miss Rona, she's not going away. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you're gonna need is a face razor. Obviously, I have this from a brand called Sirona. I got it from Amazon. I got a pack of 3. You can get different ones. This is a big. This is a bit bigger than what I usually use, but I'm not complaining because it covers like a lot of my area. Then you're gonna need a tissue or a cotton pad to wipe your peach fuzz off, and I'm gonna use aloe vera gel. First don't of your shaving process is never shave your face on a dry surface. Like, put on something on your face. Some people use water, but water does not work for me because I have dry skin, so I use either aloe vera gel or a serum. You can use facial oil. I tried coconut oil, but I have issues with coconut, so I start breaking out if there is anything coconut in my products. So I started breaking out. So I'm going to be using aloe vera gel, the safest option. You can use a serum, facial oil, or I don't know, whatever you feel comfortable with. So let's get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is put all your hair behind, because this is crucial. If your facial hair is on your face, it's gonna get in the razor and you might shave your hair also. I'm gonna look a little weird, but we might have to work with it. That's my vanity. You guys are not supposed to see it. It's very dirty. Let me, yeah, that feels better. I'm just gonna use an eyeshadow palette for mirror because I do not have a handheld mirror, and my other mirror, which I usually use, is very big. Why is this tilted? I'm not sure, but anyways. So I'm gonna take a nice amount of aloe vera gel and I'm gonna put it all over this space. I'm just putting it over here because again my skin is very dry, so it absorbs everything really quickly. Once that's in, we're gonna take razor. My camera is not working, so I have to use my phone, otherwise I would have shown you clear shots. But you can see my peach fuzz, right? So I have a lot of hair here, and now I'm gonna shave. I usually don't let my hair grow this much because I have to film looks almost every alternate days, so I film accordingly. But anyways, so what you want to do is you want it on like a 45-degree angle, like not straight, just tilt it a little bit, and you want to go in the direction your hair grows in. Like your hair grows like this, so you want to shave like this, and make sure to pull your skin or make it tighter, because if it is loose it's gonna scar your skin. Please do a patch test before you do it on your face, because you will get rashes sometimes. I do get rashes on like this area, but like that's fine. I usually do this in the night so that I get healed by the morning. So yeah, let's do this. The hair. So once you have it, I'm gonna take my tissue and just wipe it off. Okay, here you can see the hair. You see? So that's how I shave. Now let's continue with, see how I'm doing this, because I have to hold my mirror. So I'm gonna now see my hair is coming off from here. I'm gonna make it more neater. I like to shave my whole face. You can definitely just do your sideburns and like your peach fuzz around this area, you know. But I like to go like over here because I have a lot of facial hair. My genetics said hi. You'll see my skin getting a little red. That's gonna happen because of course you're scraping your dead skin cells off too. So it's gonna happen. I'm gonna take it right down to my neck, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the same tissue, just wipe this hair off so that I can see what I have left in here. Now I prefer this because it's very easy and I can get it done in like 2 minutes, because if I do it regularly, like I've grown my hair out now, just so you guys can see the difference. So clean and so smooth. This helps my makeup go on very smoothly. I'm gonna show you guys up close how it looks after I shave. Or before I shave, this is how my skin looks. I have some peach fuzz over here, a lot of here, my upper lip. Not sure you guys can see, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways. I have some here. I'm gonna do that too. Why is my head? Okay, so it is a little red and inflamed right now, but of course this construction going on. Anywho, so that's why I want you guys to just take a patch test, like shave like little bit over here and see if you get any reactions. If you do, please do not do this. Please go with the method that's been working for you. But I do not have sensitive skin. I usually don't get like issues with anything, touch wood. But yeah, if you do, please do a patch test. But yeah, it's gonna be inflamed, so that's why I suggest doing it at night with like a good, in front of like a good mirror, like close up. Shave your face at night, put on some moisturizer or some serum that you usually put on, and go to bed, because your skin needs healing. Of course, this is a razor, it's a blade. It's gonna scrape off your dead skin, and it's basically scratching your skin, so it needs time to heal. So I usually do it at night, and by the morning it's more calmed down, it's not inflamed, you know. And also you can, if you have to do it in the day, because if you're going somewhere you have to do it, then probably use ice on top of this, or just use the same aloe vera gel, because it calms your skin down. I'm going to show you how I do my upper lips too. Do not massage this into your skin, because this needs to uh, sit on top of your skin, so that your skin is very moist. So again, for the lips too, hold your skin very tightly and just be very careful, go slow, please take your time. Do not be in a hurry to shave your face ever, because this is blade, it's gonna cut you. There we go. I'm gonna do the rest of my face. Another tip for you guys, do not, I repeat, do not ever shave around your breakout areas. Like this area that I have, it's not a breakout anymore, it's just a spot now. But when I did have that, please do not shave around it or on it, because it's gonna infect you. Just don't shave your breakouts, please. Okay, I have done my lower half of the face all the way up until here. I'm gonna do my like extras, and like if I have any forehead hair, although I don't. So yeah, for my eyebrows I do not do a lot, because I use wax strips for them. But just because I am shaving my face, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just hold my skin here and just go down and just try to get the extras off. I would not suggest doing this if you're not familiar with it. If you want to go out, please don't do this the first time. Practice this a lot while you're at home, and then probably then you'll get comfortable with this and then do it. Because I did it for a very long time and I don't go anywhere, so like it's like perfectly fine for me to do it. But yeah, you're gonna need practice for eyebrows. There are like smaller ones that you can get for eyebrows. I just don't have them as of now. I usually use the ones that are like half of this, like this much, and they're very easy to get into like my brows and everything. So yeah, I would suggest going in with those. You guys see it? My eyebrows are clean as hell. I like my eyebrows shorter because then I have a lot of lid space. But again, do as you please. I'm just showing you the basics, the do's and don'ts, tips and tricks. See, as I was saying, you need practice. I usually don't do properly on one eye. Like this eye always seems to come out like really good. But this one, girl, she is another story. She does not help. I'm gonna try to do it off camera. Okay, once you have that done, I did not do it properly. I'm gonna go wash my face with cold water and I will be right back. We're back. I just washed my face with cold water, nothing else. I already feel so much better about myself. Now after I'm done with that, I'm just going to take ton of the aloe vera gel. It's quite weird, so I'm gonna ignore that, and I'm just going to put it all over my face. And this time I'm going to massage it into my skin because my skin needs that. Completely shaved face without any issues. Now I'm going to tell you guys some do's and don'ts of shaving your face. One being, never shave on a dry surface. Do a patch test before you do a patch test at least 24 hours before you are planning to shave your face. If you're doing it for the first time, of course. If you've already done it, second, I would suggest practicing first before doing your eyebrows because it's not easy. Two, always hold your skin while you're shaving. Please never do it like this because then it's gonna catch on to your skin and then you're gonna have rashes. I'm gonna start having like rashes, or I think I've already started, but I'm gonna start having rashes over here. I don't know why, just this area is very sensitive on my face. But yeah, the rest of it is fine. Again, sensitive skin, please be careful. You can use oils, serums, and of course my beloved aloe vera gel for shaving your face. You don't have to have a lot of products. These razors are very inexpensive. I'm gonna link some. I don't even have to link, you can just find it on Amazon. They're like very cheap. Just look at the reviews, and like they're like packs of 3, packs of 4, packs of 5, whatever you like. Point number, I don't know which, but do not use one razor for a very long time. I think a particular timeline is 5 uses. I'm not sure. I'm gonna research about it and I'm gonna put it on the screen. I don't usually use one razor after like 4 or 5 uses. I use the other ones also because they get rusty. Also, do not forget put the lid on after you have. Oh, that was the wrong way, I think. No, this is the correct. Wait, what? Okay, yeah. Always always remember to put on the lid after you are done using, because then it's gonna get rusty quickly, which I did do the mistake in the beginning when I started. I'm looking really very funny. Let me just have a little decency. Okay. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope I helped you a little bit in learning about shaving your face. If you take away anything from this video, I'll be very happy. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. If this did help you, comment down below if you've ever tried razor on your face, and if not, what do you use on your face if you do shave your face or if you do remove your facial hair. Let me know in the comments what you try and maybe I can try those things. And besides that, I think that is it for the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.